guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm so excited. Gotega reached out to me and asked if I would do a review on one of their products. They have an accessory bundle for Cricut makers, and I told them I would. Oh, I'm so excited. So, this is what you get. And I have not opened this yet. I'm going to open it with you guys, so I'm really excited. So this is the box that you get, and it's crafting idea toolkit for Cricut machines, any Cricut machines. So I'm so excited. So let me adjust the camera so you guys can open it with me. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, let's open, see what it comes with. Okay, I love the box though, it's so cute. Okay, let's open this. And wow, this is a lot of stuff, you guys. I love it. Okay, you get 24 colored Cricut pens that you can use on the Cricut. We're gonna test these out too and see how they work. And oh, I love this, you guys. You get Cricut accessories. You get a scraper, a weeder, tweezers, spatula, scissors, and a piercing tool. We're gonna have to try these out too. Let me open this and we'll see what they look like. These are really nice. These feel just like the Cricut brand. These are really nice. Oh, I love it. Look, there's little handles, not handles, but little indentations to hold it. That is a great idea. That's really a great idea. Okay, so we're going to set this aside and see what else is in the box. And then we're going to use the stuff in the box. Okay, so Cricut cutting machine toolkit for craft projects. So it comes with 5 heat transfer vinyl sheets, 20 adhesive vinyl sheets, and 3 transfer tapes, 5 transparent printing films, 6 cutting machine toolkit. Oh, it comes with a sticky mat, you guys. I'm so excited. I always need one of these. And then 20 colored pens. And these are just some projects that you can do with everything in here. So, I'm really impressed. Let's see. Wow, love it. Oh, I love glitter paper. Let me use these fancy scissors. Okay. And open this. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is the glitter vinyl. Ooh, I love it, you guys. Look at this. Okay, so this looks like it's like a purple pink. This looks silver, gold, a really pretty royal blue, and a teal color, like a teal green. And this feels really nice, you guys. It feels like really nice with vinyl. Okay, so let's set this aside and keep checking out our little goodies in here. Oh wow, this is a lot of vinyl. And when they first said, like a little, they asked if I would do a review on their accessory bundle, I thought it wouldn't really have a lot in it. I am very impressed. This is like packed full of stuff. So let's This is really nice. Lots of different colors. Oh wow. There's like a pretty gold, and I don't know what we would call this. Maybe like a mauvish, red and brown and blue, silver, pinkish purple, green. Oh my gosh, there's just, you name it. I think it's like every single color. Okay, we're gonna have to use this, so let's set this aside as well. I'm excited to see the Cricut mat, or the mat for the Cricut, I should say. So here is the transfer tape. Let's move this aside and open this as well. What side do I open it on? There. And these are actually nice little bags that they're in. I'm going to put the vinyl back in the bag just to keep it protected. And I mean, it's kind of like a thick material, so I think that this will store pretty well. Okay, transfer tape, very nice. And let's try the board for the Cricut machine. Wow, you guys. I mean, who wouldn't love all this? Okay, this is really nice. This is for a standard grip. Let me go ahead and get some stuff together and bring out my Cricut machine, and we're going to test some of this as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I think this is just beautiful, beautiful color green. I'm going to make a shirt. So let's use the mat. I like that. I like that. It doesn't, sometimes with the Cricut mat, I don't know if you guys have noticed, or maybe it's just me, I don't know if you guys have this as well, but it's like, it's just kind of flimsy and it doesn't stick. So, okay, so anyway, I'm going to do a shirt. So this goes face down since this is an iron-on. And let's go ahead and line it up. Okay, want it to be perfect. Okay. Let me do this side. Okay, so I'm going to use a brayer just to make sure that this sticks to the mat. Okay, and let's go ahead and load the Cricut. Okay, so we just hit cut. We hit make it. And I selected glitter vinyl, glitter iron-on vinyl, and I did mesh because I didn't know if this was considered mesh or just glitter. So let's see. Set this aside. And I'm going to use the scissors to cut just the image out. And then I'm going to use the weeding tool to see how it works. So, whoopsie. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it out. Okay, and let's see. Let me move some light over here so I can see. Okay, so let's go ahead and just take out the border area. So far, so good, you guys. I like it. Okay. So far I have Mom. And I'm going to continue weeding, and I'll be back so you don't have to watch me weed. But I will let you know, so far I'm loving this. And then we're going to iron it on the shirt and see what it looks like and how it irons on. So I'll be back, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to put this on the shirt. I weeded it. And we're going to go ahead and see what it looks like. Okay, let's take it off. Ooh, it looks really nice. I I love it. Okay, I gotta show this to you guys. This is awesome. Okay, let me turn it around, you guys. Hold on one sec. Isn't this so cute, you guys? That is so, so cute. I love, love, love this. Okay, so I'm gonna try using the pens. I pulled out blue, so we're going to add paper to their mat and go ahead and try writing with the blue marker. So, let me see real quick. Awesome, I love it. Okay, let me go ahead and get it going. Okay, I like that when I put this in, I don't know if you know, like when you use a Cricut pen, it clicks, and so you know when to stop. This one is, it doesn't make a clicking sound, but it stops itself, so you know how far to put it down. I love that, because I know that I've used Crayola in the past, and it doesn't do that. It just keeps sliding down, so you kind of really have to figure out where to do it. So this is awesome that it does that for you. And let's go ahead and see what it looks like writing. Okay, so let's check it out. That looks really, really good, you guys. I really like this. I've used another brand, not this one, but I tried another one, and the pen was very light, and it like hardly worked. So I love this. It's a nice bold color. I am so happy, you guys, with this. I think that this is awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and try the transfer paper and vinyl. And let me go ahead and take the paper off the mat, see how that works as well. Voila! Okay, cool. Now let's line this up with, I'm going to cut just a little bit of it. Let me get the scissors. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply the vinyl, and then I'm going to hit make it and go ahead and get that rolling. Okay, so whoa, I went ahead and did make it for the vinyl, and let's go ahead and cut a little bit more off of here, and then we'll weed it with the tools that came in this adorable package. And I cut a little piece of the transfer tape so we can check that out as well. So let's get weeding. Okay. Okay, so I will continue weeding and I'll be right back so you don't have to watch me weed. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and use the transfer tape. Let me make a little smaller piece and try this out. And we're going to use their scraper, and I use the weeder. And you guys, these are awesome, awesome tools. They have indentations. They're just awesome. I mean, it's so much more comfortable, honestly, to use these than to use the Cricut brand. So these are now my favorite. You'll be seeing me using these in all my videos going forward, because I really, really like this. It just makes it more comfortable. So anyway, and they're not paying me, just so you know. I'm not getting paid by them or anything like that. They did ask me to review this product, and they did send the product to me. But you know, I can say what I want to say. And I have to tell you guys, I really, really like this stuff. It is awesome. It so made my day. Let's go ahead and use the scraper and do it a little bit harder. But I mean, this package is packaged so beautifully, and it's exciting to open this box. Let's see. Okay, And a little bit more. Which this is typical, you know. You guys know how all transfer tape is. And it was easy for me to weed as well, because I didn't want you guys to sit and watch me do everything. Okie day. Okay, let's go ahead and put this on. And I don't know how this is going to be on paper because, you know, I don't know if it'll stick. I should have done it like on a different surface, but let's try it anyway. See. Ooh, it works. I don't usually put vinyl on paper. I usually put it like on a surface, some sort of surface. Oh, this goes on this one. So this is so cute. All right, you guys, so let me show you again, and I'll leave the link below. This is, I don't know if you can see this or not. This is the adorable box that it comes in. And let me tell you everything that I got in here. This is awesome, you guys. Okay, so let me find the list because there's so much. There's so much stuff in here. Okay, so we got the heat transfer vinyl sheets. And you get 20 of the adhesive vinyl sheets, 3 transfer sheets, the transparent printing films, and these pens, which are awesome, you guys. Really, I really like these. And the sticky cutting mat, and then I showed you the tools. I love this, and it's by Gotega. I'm going to leave all the information in the description below. If you're interested, I'll leave the link. And I really like this stuff, you guys. I think you'll like it as well. And thank you for Gotega for sending it to me and letting me review it, because I am your new customer now. I really honestly love your product. So thank you so much for, you know, asking me to review it. And that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.